Hello everyone. I didn't want to record, so that's why I'm recording this late. It's 5:26. It's pretty late. I woke up not that well slept, if you can say it like that. I went to sleep also really late. I feel like it was like 5 in the morning or something. I've been having a hard time sleeping well and functioning normally. But thankfully, on Monday, when I have my medication, things are going to recover. Hopefully, I don't know. In the morning, I stayed in my bedroom for a while. Then extremely fast forwarding, fast forward. I went to my grandma's because we had to eat there. And then I asked her if she had baby shampoo or cat shampoo because my cat, for some reason, has like weird, like on the back, there's like a line on the back of hair sticking together. They're really hard. It's like something sticky was laid on them. I don't know. I'm talking like shit. I'm so sorry. So I wanted to wash my cat, and I did it. And I have to clean the mess in the bathroom. So I left some towels. So when she got out of the bathtub of the shower, and the bathtub is a mess. It's full of cat hair that I have to clean. There's the hairbrush, and I used that baby shampoo. So I have to clean this. Also, then I went with her to the backyard. Is this a backyard? I don't know. So I wanted to dry her because here is more warm. I used the hair dryer. It went okay. And those are some hairs that I got out of here. Well, now I'm gonna show you my cat. So that's gonna be the last thing that I will show you in this video, because I have to organize. I have to leave the bathroom okay, and I want to, a lot of things that I already said that I was going to do and I never did, so I'm not gonna repeat myself, otherwise I'm going to feel like shit. My baby is right there. She doesn't hate me, that's good. On the back here, it's pretty much dry, but the stomach and the feet are still a little wet. You can see like there. The hair is kind of crazy. I don't know what was happening to her fur. It was all in this area, but I couldn't remove like here. You see there, like this piece of hair? That's like glued into her hair. It's like a chunk. And I tried to massage with the shampoo there for a while. I got rid of all the ones here, but that one I couldn't. So I'm thinking of like shaving it. I don't know. At least she's purring. That's a nice sign. Look. It's so weird. So I'm gonna see how I get it out. Or if it's not a problem. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I should record something for later. I got dizzy, sorry. When I get dizzy, I hear like a buzzing on my ears, and I feel a little pressure on my head, and sometimes my neck like tightens. Okay, that's it. I'll show you later. Goodbye.
Love. Tata Love con su taza de Love.
Cachi, tiene una pata así colgando en la luna, muy piola.
Se cortó, po, weón. Está re playa.